Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? So, welcome to the online class of Greenfield School and College. So, we'll discuss gap filling activities today, and there are two types of gap filling activities we find in exam. One is with clause, and another one is without clause. Means somewhere answers are given, options are given, and somewhere options are not given. So, in the earlier class, we discussed without options, and today we'll discuss some gap filling activities with options. So here options will be given, we will place in the right those options in the right place. So let's say actually here no particular rules, our IQ, our foundation of grammar, all these things will be applied here, needed here. So we'll try to apply our IQ or the grammar items that we learned during our regular classes. All these things, tense, voice, partial speech, article, preposition, all these things will be applied here. So in case of gap filling activities, no rules to follow. As no rules to follow, all the grammar things will be here. So only practice matters. So we'll practice as long as we can, then we will be able to master on this. So thank you so much. So let's start. So first one we see an exercise. The options are given here. So let's read the text once, then we'll try to think about what could be the correct answer. So writing letters is a part of our social activities. It is dash form of communication which plays a vital role in our practical life. Dash this time revolution has taken place in the field of dash, these like telephone, wireless cellular phone, fax, and most recently dash, which are much faster means dash communication. Letterizing is dash kind of art which is dash important means dash maintaining good relations dash people, offices, and business organizations. So we have gone through the things. Now we'll try to find out the answer. So I'll place the answer here, you can find it. Okay, so answer will be given there, then we can match. Yes, you see the answer now. So writing letters is a part of our social activities. It is the form of communication which plays a vital role in our practical life. Then by this time dash revolution has taken place in the field of dash. So our revolution has taken place in the field of communication. This like telephone, wireless cellular phone, fax, and most recently email. Email, which are much faster means dash communication. So of communication. Letter writing is dash kind of. So a kind of. So G number would be a kind of good art which is dash important means. So it could be as important either. So an important means dash maintaining good relations. So I number would be for maintaining good relations dash people, offices, and business organizations. So I am with people, offices, and business organizations. So the words here, only two genuine words, communication and email. Others are article, preposition. So if you know the uses of these, then you can apply the things here and got a good figure. Okay, so we are done with this. Let's check the next one. It says in dash society all men are not equally well dash, some are rich and some are very poor. This is because of dash unequal distribution of national wealth. Many are deprived dash the basic needs of life. They must be provided dash their dues. The rich always draw dash line of contrast themselves and poor. Most of them look down dash the poor. They should be dash, and then humanity should be improved. So So far you can assume some answers. In dash society, in our society, all men are not really well off, but some are rich and some are very poor. This is because of dash unequal distribution. It's because of the unequal distribution. Let's check the answer. Yes. So in our society, first one would be all men are not equally well off. When the well off means সচ্ছল, some are rich and some are very poor, and this is because of dash unequal distribution of national wealth. So C number could be N, as it starts with a vowel. And many are deprived. We know that deprived of, there is a appropriate preposition. So many are deprived of the basic needs of life. They must be provided dash their dues. So E number, we know that provided with, there is another phrase. So they must be provided with their dues. The rich always draw dash line, FR, line of contrast between themselves and the poor. So G number would be between themselves, and H number the poor. We know that when a total class is mentioned, that time we use the. So the poor. Most of them look down upon. This is another phrase. Look down upon হচ্ছে ঘৃণা অর্থে তাকানো. So most of them look down upon the poor. So they should be conscious, and then humanity should be improved. So we understood. We solved 2 exercises. Let's start the next one. So in this way, if you know the meaning, the uses, and there are some phrases, if you can manage them, then you can find the answer. Okay. Then it comes, man has dash unquenchable thirst dash knowledge. He is never satisfied dash what he has known or seen and seen. For this he set out dash traveling. But it means dash lot of money. It needs dash lot of money dash people of developed countries are fit dash it. So they are capable dash earning and dash knowledge. So it's about knowledge traveling. So what happens? Let's check the answer. Yes, man has an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. So here it starts with vowel, so it would be an. So man has an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. He is never satisfied with what he has known and seen. For this he set out dash traveling. He set out for traveling. But it needs dash lot of money. So it needs a lot of money and patience. টাকা এবং ধৈর্য দুইটাই লাগবে. Dash people, the people of developed countries are fit for it because they have money and patience both. So they are capable of earning with practical knowledge. Earning practical knowledge. So let's have a revision. So man has an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. He is never satisfied with what he has known and seen. For this he set out for traveling, but needs a lot of money and patience. The people of developed countries are fit for it. So they are capable of earning practical knowledge. So it's all about this exercise. Let's start the next one. Although dash city life has many advantages, a city dweller sometimes gets tired dash of it. He cannot attend dash office and other places dash time because dash traffic jam. Dash air in the city is polluted dash smoke and dash. Besides, he is always busy dash lot of dash. So although dash city life has many advantages, so what will be the answer? So our city life has many advantages. A city dweller sometimes gets tired of it. So I am tired of it. This type of phrases are used here. He cannot attend the office and other places in time because of traffic jam. So you would be off. If the air in the city is polluted with smoke and dust. So 8 number would be dust. Besides, he is always busy dash a lot of dash. So he always busy with a lot of commitments. So it would be commitments. So although our city life has many advantages, a city dweller sometimes gets tired of it. He cannot attend the office and other places in time because of traffic jam. The air in the city is polluted with smoke and dust. Besides, he is always busy with a lot of commitments. So these are things like how you solve the exercises. Let's start the next one. Studies and politics cannot go together. It is unfortunate matter that money and dash attract students if they are involved dash politics. Once politics was associated dash social services. A political worker was dash social reformer. Students were in dash forefront dash unifying the people of the country and fighting dash the enemies. At present, some of the students are exploited dash the political parties as their tools and violence. So these passages are about students and their involvement in politics, how and how was the condition earlier about politics and students politics, and how their contribution was in society, how they revolted against the existing problems, but now they are derived from their path. So let's place the answer. Studies and politics cannot go together. It is an unfortunate matter that money and power attract the students if they are involved in politics. So D would be in. So once politics was associated with social services, then associated with is a preposition, appropriate preposition. Involved in is also appropriate preposition. Attract, and then unfortunately here article as it is vowel, so and to be placed. So associated with social services. A political worker was a social reformer. So was a social reformer. Students were in forefront. Due with the forefront dash unifying the people of the country. So H would be for unifying the people of the country and fighting against the enemies. So I would be against. At present, some of the students are exploited by political parties. J would be by as their tools and violence. So this is another text. It's about studies politics students role and the options are given there, and we found the answer. So this is the things. In some cases you to place them as phrase, means appropriate preposition. In some cases you have to think about the article. In some cases you have to think about the preposition. So then you will be able to answer the question or fill in the gaps. Let's check the next one. So we are done. So far we have finished 5 exercises. So how the things were? Are they easy or difficult? So let's have a so in case of gap filling activities, as you see, mainly article, preposition, appropriate preposition, these 3 things you to remember. So article means a and the. So if you find any vowel that starts with word start with a, e, I, o, u, that better move to place an, and if it is definite, that better move to place the, and if it is not definite, that better move to place a. And in some cases we know that pronouns, so prepositions, for, on, with here, of here, by here. So in this case we can place the things if we know the uses of them. So with means along with, sometimes attachment. By means done with by something. Of means it expresses position, and on means along with something. For expresses that it belongs to whom, for jonno. And here of, we know that while of, there is a phrase. Then between, we know that when comparison is made with 2 persons, or that better is used. With, we know the association. And upon, here we found a phrase, look down upon, means tuchharte takano. And here the, for, of, we know the uses on. And to means it shows purposes. Okay. And here by and in, we know that it expresses that something belongs to somewhere or existence. I live in Dhaka, this type of things. In office, these things can be there. And here we found the, of, we know this by a, with against. Against means viruddha, so not in favor. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining. So I suggest you to practice this type of things from different sources. Then you will cut a good figure undoubtedly. Thank you so much for watching. We are done for today. And if you have any question or problem, if you find anything here ambiguous, then knock me or comment anywhere, then I will respond. And don't go outside, stay home, and don't waste your time doing unnecessary things. Keep yourself busy with study, because since as a student it's your main duty, main responsibilities. After doing your works, you can do some works for refreshment. That time you can play games, or you can hang out with your friend, but though it is not safe outside. But main job is study. So being a student, I expect that you pay your or you invest your major time in studies. You won't spend your or waste your time doing other things like playing games or playing PUBG, like other things. So in this way you can cut a good figure in the exam. So thank you so much. See you in another day, in another class. Keep fine.